Hi friends, I'm from Allie Scraps here, and I just got my new box of Planner Society goodies. This is the subscription kit that goes bi-monthly now instead of monthly, and so I'm super excited. And they got new boxes too, not just plain brown ones, but actually have a print. So this is super exciting. So I'm just going to walk you through what's in here and some ideas that I have for using it, and we'll just kind of play with it. So first off, the bags are even bigger. Like they actually have like significant size to them now, which makes me super excited because I know the kits are bigger, and they do cost a little bit more now because they have more stuff in them and they're bi-monthly, which I really like because I never used up all of my stuff before. Actually, like, I hoarded most of it, let's be honest. But love the bag. Super pretty. I love using these bags as like background papers for different things. I like to cut them up and use like individual parts for Bible journaling or my scrapbooking. Like this flower would be perfect just to cut out right there and put on something. So these bags are a lot of fun. Like I say, use every bit of your kit that you can, because Christy does a really great job of designing every single part. Okay, so I'm just going to go through this pile really quickly. I'm not going to open many things because just they do a lot of sneak peeks and things like that, where you can kind of see them in a little bit more detail, but just kind of explain what I'm using these things for. So these are the tabs that go on the top of like your planner pages and things like that, and you can kind of use them to like page dividers, I guess what they're called. And I love how they're cut out. And then I believe I'll open these up. I know these are a little bit different. They do have patterns and gold ones. So notes, month, week, today, lists, and then, oh, these are green foil. That's really cool. And the same one, notes, month, week, lists. So those are really cool. Love those. And I don't always use these in just my planner. Obviously mostly my planner, but I also like to do them in different notebooks and things like that. And I don't always put them on the pages, but sometimes we'll put them on like a divider that then I punch holes in that, and then I can move it around, especially the ones that are today. And then a stamp. Look how cute that is. I love the floral and the cup. And this would be really easy to like mask off the cup and just use the floral. Super cute bookmark clip, paper clip. There's that cup again. This is a patch, I believe, which would be really cute on like the front of your planner. And I think it has adhesive on the back. Super cute. These are always fun pen holders that you can make. So they include the ribbon. It's like stretchy ribbon in their pattern. It's really fun. And you can make your own pen holder that clips to your planner, whatever planner you're using, which those are a lot of fun. Really cute paper flowers that you can make with sequins. I love how everything coordinates, and the backer cards are just beautiful. I have a drawer full of old backer cards that I use to punch tabs out of and circles and things like that, and just add those to my Bible journaling and my planner and my scrapbooking. I try to use every bit of the kit that I can because, again, Christy does such a great job of designing it. These are my favorite pen holders. It's kind of like a little pen pouch and spaces for your pens. I fill these with colored pencils, and my scissors fit really nicely in either these pockets or right here. I took about 3 of these at least to a retreat that I went to last weekend, just because I wanted to organize everything and keep it all together in the appropriate areas. And this was absolutely wonderful. Like, again, I have like 3 of these. They were great in organizing what I needed. And look, how cute is this little charm on the zipper? It's a bow. So cute. This is gorgeous. And then this is one of my favorite things that Christy's come out with in the past couple years. It's the clear pocket pages, or clear pockets, basically, in 2 different sizes that are adhesive and just like stick on you can stick them right on your page, on like your planner. They're really super cute. So this has pink or gold bows on a pink background. Super cute. like checked and bows. And then the bigger ones are floral. Super cute. And then these, I really like these because they fit my prayer request cards perfectly right in there. And so it's really nice to, I have a couple of these on the inside of my Bible that hold prayer request cards, or the cards where I keep track of what verses that I've done in that Bible for my Bible journaling. So these are really, really great. And then, oh, super excited about these. If you guys follow this channel at all, you know that I love sticky notes. And so much so that I even have my own sticky notes. So I'm super excited about these. I think these might just, I don't know if they're sticky notes or if they're just notepads, but how fun. It's like a planner one. Yeah, these ones are sticky notes. So it says to-do date, to-do list, don't forget, menu, happening today, notes. This, I'm going to use these a lot. I'm probably going to have to hoard those. And then this cute little ribbon around it is just no sticky on the back of these, but so just a notepad, but weekly planner. And that's just so cute. I like the Let's Go weekend. That's fun. And the floral, just, oh, these are beautiful. I hope these appear in every kit now, because I'm gonna run out of those. The little die cut bits are always lots of fun. I'm not gonna make a mess of these, but again, I love to use these in my Bible journaling, my scrapbooking, not just my planner, because I don't decorate my planner as much as I would like. So I use these, and actually a lot of different things in these kits, much more for outside my planner, like Bible journaling and scrapbooking, than I actually do in my planner. So, or just different projects. But I do a little bit of decorative planning, but not enough to use all of this kit. And so I like to pull them into Bible journaling and scrapbooking. So these are usually the stickers. So fun. I love the theme and the little carts, mason jars. So, oh, these are gold foiled. That is a lot of fun. And again, I use the bags. I punch them up, cut them out. Love them. Nice big pen with 2 different patterns. Love it. Give a look at the tip. Oh, plastic's not going to come off. So cool. I'm not usually a gold girl, but I'm really digging all this gold. These, let's check these out. I said I wasn't going to get everything out to look at, but now I am. I'll roll with it. So please remove the clear layer of film from the top. Oh, because these are the little, this is what I normally put, I find clear one, or like thick plastic dividers, and put these on top, but these bows are obviously too cute to actually cover. Those are a lot of fun. So you can either like hole punch these and like have them flip in your planner, or just stick them in there and then you're good to go. And then there is that clear film that I'll take off when I go to use them, but I don't want them to get scratched up before that. Tabs, I love their tabs always. Oh, and I love that these are gold foiled. So again, I don't use everything in my kits. So what I do with the tabs when I'm done decorating for that month in my planner, and like, I just have a bunch of extra tabs because there are so many tabs in each of these packets. I just throw them in this little bowl, or it's actually like a flower vase, and then I just kind of grab some that match different projects that I'm working on in my Bible journal or things like that, and just throw the tabs on there, which is a really fun way to continue using them. And I mean, these sit on my desk because they just look cute, and I can easily grab and go. And then these are a new product, and I'm super excited about these. These are peel-off stickers, and they're like, you can do tabs with them, and they're glitter bows and scallops that can go along the edges of, I've seen people use them like on these clear dividers or on their other divider pages. I'm just super excited because they're very, very cute. I'll link Chrissy's Instagram down below, and you can kind of see how she's been using them, which is really a good, like, explains it much better than I do. And then my favorite part are the papers, just because Christy puts together such great patterns and colors. I love these colors. I love how they coordinate so well. And so the patterns are just great. Always double-sided. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. I love that. The patterns are always great. The colors are always wonderful. I love how they're double-sided, and they're always, even though they design a couple months ahead, they always seem to be so on trend. And I love that. Christy really knows how to pick out the trends. Ooh, this is beautiful. That one is going to get used a lot. And then they also always do a couple specialty papers. So vellum, this vellum, gold foiled vellum, which might be a new addition. And then some acetate or clear ones. Love this. It's beautiful. And then rose gold foiled acetate. And then this is new, which I think is really exciting, is the like die cut or laser cut papers as well. So that is really pretty. I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to use that, because otherwise I will hoard it. And then the last part, and I know I just said the papers were always my favorite part, but the washi definitely always takes the cake. And this washi is gorgeous because it's floral and foiled. And that is awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick unboxing, and I will be back at some point soon to share what I've done with little bits in this kit. And be sure to check out the link below to subscribe to the kit yourself. Like I said, it is bi-monthly now, and so I think you have to sign up kind of early in advance so they know how many they're doing. But Christy's also doing a lot more of selling on her website of extra kits and things like that, so be sure to check them out, because these kits are always beautiful and I use them everywhere in all of my creating. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe and like the video, and I can't wait to chat with you soon. Bye bye.